I'm going for first place, and I won't take anything else but that. California to Vegas. Welcome back to my channel. It's gonna be a good one. Well, we're gonna show everyone my place in Las Vegas, Nevada. Probably live in Vegas now. Shout out to Denzel. He did not just come up here 4 hours away from his home to film and make content and how to make content and document this whole move and journey and process of everything that's gonna happen in between the next 13 months. He also helped me move, so we didn't film any of that, but if you look at my garage, you wanna check it out. We decided to go everything brand new. Why? Because before I couldn't have done this. Everything would have been from either offer up or stuff we've already had, kept the same bed, but you know, I've been blessed, been making decent money and been working hard for that money, and we got everything brand new. So we got new couches, we got a new bed set. I just bought a new monitor a couple weeks ago. I needed that one. Everything went new, so everything's new except for all clothes. Soren has sent me so many clothes, and I really appreciate them, and I can't wait to work something out with them. I think I've already said that already. Heavy Athletics, I think I gotta get that right, but I want to shout them out too because I like the Heavy Athletics. That's dope. They sent me some clothes. Also myself, Big John, Jordy, and Johnny. So I really appreciate you guys. And everything else, I'll just show you. We got the mountain bikes. I haven't brought my dirt bikes yet. But you know, going through this movement stuff like that, I was like talking to Denzel on the way up here. We had 4 hours. I would not be able to do this at 600 pounds, at 600 plus pounds. You know, 500 plus pounds. This has been a lot of moving. It's been me, my girlfriend, a couple of friends have helped. My brother, shout out to my brother. But it's a lot of work, you know, and like this is like we were talking about doing a segment on things I couldn't do at over 600 pounds. Like we'll start it off here. I could not do this move with just me and my girlfriend at over 600 pounds. We were both, my girlfriend, I think the highest she got to was like 340 pounds. I got to well over 600 pounds, probably roughly around the 650 mark. And this wouldn't have been possible. Like it just would have been too difficult. I'm tired right now, but I'm still got energy to go and stuff like that. But this would be difficult, carrying couches, carrying everything. You don't realize how much crap you have until you got to put it into a box and carry it, you know. We're not even done. Unfortunately, we got here and they had our move-in date for the 9th. We are supposed to move in on today, which is the 5th today, or 4th today, 5th today. I think it's the 5th. So a little mess up on their part. They apologize. It's all right. Stuff happens. I had great signs. I'm already moving to Vegas, so I'm super stoked. All right, right now we're gonna drop off the U-Haul and go to Best Buy, see if we can find an 85 inch. My girlfriend's not happy about it, but guess what? I've always wanted 85 inch. Gotta make up for other places I'm lacking, you know?
Dude, I get nervous trying this. You recording me?
Has it like sunk in yet that you live here?
Not yet. But I've been more focused on all of the projects that AJ decided to load on me last 2 minutes or 2 weeks. He decided to take on 3 weeks worth of taco gigs for a tree farm in the middle of the move. So it's been tough. And I've been having to, what else am I doing? It's a lot. So tacos, and I do full prep for it. Then vending the tacos, and I've been trying to pack and then still keep up with the online coaching stuff, which thankfully we've had help from back end, but managing all that has made me not really think about or focus on like the actual move itself. I've been focused on just getting here, but it hasn't sunk in that I'm here. I guess until I have everything set up. Maybe that's when it'll hit me. I did cry for like a second though, only because my nephew called me to say bye. And I was like, no. That was it. I'm still not there. But my plant made it. That was the most important thing.
Are you like nervous at all?
I'm not nervous, I'm excited. I'm excited to not have the constant daily like outside noise of like friends and family adding to my workload, which takes up a lot of time. Where even with that, like friends, I feel bad because I have great friends that want to spend time with us and me, and I'm so thankful for it, but I just don't have the time for it. And I still tell them, like, you know, thank you for checking in on me, and please don't stop. I feel like a bad friend, but like I have too many things going on, and it's like we're laser focused on growing all of the businesses that we have, because it's not just online coaching. So it's a lot to juggle, and I feel like being away for a bit, it's gonna make me like refocus and be able to grow the things that we have, because we had too many eggs in a lot of baskets right now, and I want to like hone in on everything, so when we do come back and purchase our forever home, we'll be more settled in, and we'll have more time to give and spend with family and friends.
You say you're not nervous, but you're excited. What's like something you're like the most excited for?
The most excited for is, it's gonna sound weird because AJ and I spend a lot of time together, but we don't spend a lot of quality time together because it's always work. And the great thing about AJ is though that he will prioritize like us as a couple when I'm always like work in my mind, and he's the one that kind of makes me what does he make me do? Hold on, give me 1 second. Like he's the one that prioritizes our relationship time more so than I do. So I feel like moving here, I won't have as much distraction, and it'll be like just him and I for a bit before we have to share our time together with when we have a kid, or when the time comes when his sister moves in with us. Like we're gonna have just time for us alone, which I look forward to. What was I saying? Oh, dealing with AJ is a full fucking time job. So when people ask me, what do you do for a living? It's a lot. Just being his girlfriend is a lot. He is very, very, very self-sufficient on his own, but if I'm around, he is useless. Completely useless. But he's pumping my gas right now. Honey, is it okay if I say you're useless?
Huh?
Is it okay if I say that you're useless?
On what?
Useless?
Oh, yeah. You're sitting in the car and I'm pumping your gas for you, my love. Definitely. Honestly, I thrive to do better. I really do.
Thanks.
Hopefully one day I could be half the man that you deserve.
Period. As long as you're working towards it.
I am. Every single day I wake up, I'm like, how can I please my woman?
Damn.
And Andrew Tate is an asshole.
Period.
You've been focusing on gym. What am I eating? How am I eating? Clean eating. And now just like relax for a second, get the move done, and then boom, grind it out. So, like you said, and like I always tell everyone, you're not gonna, get fat in 2 days, 3 days, So, it's good. Now I'm about to scarf down some pizza. Hot takes? Hot takes.
I'm
Hot
over
takes.
this
Hot
shit.
takes? No?
I got better shit to do in my life.
Judge me, you. How are you gonna judge me when you said, and you just came out of your mouth? You said, what'd you say? What dumb shit did you say? You say Five Guys is better than In-N-Out?
What?
What?
No.
Keep the camera.
No.
No. What did you say is better
Five
than In-N-Out?
Guys?
What was the burger? No, you said.
Not
you said,
Five
no, I think it was
Guys.
worse. I think it was Big Burger
Shake
King or
Shack?
something. No. It was something disrespectful.
Burger King.
Burger King.
Burger. So
Yeah,
For
no,
sure.
Yeah. The camera guy's about to pass out. He's passing out. Yeah, I got you.
Burger King definitely has better
Wow.
hamburgers.
That's fake char.
What was it?
Like liquid
In-N-Out?
smoke.
Is that what it's called?
In-N-Out. Don't play that place. Don't play.
Like their hamburgers or like?
I never want to
that?
fight someone so much in my life right now. So
Wait,
look
Burger
at
King? We don't even have Burger King.
Burger
See,
King
that's
is
why
not- Burger King is
you're
not
just
even
missing
on the
out.
record.
So how do you
Burger King
even know?
opens-
How do you
Burger
even
King-
know?
Burger King opens and it closes right
When
away.
you're fed shit your whole life, you don't know what good stuff is.
He's also someone who likes Raising Cane's.
Oh.
See?
Oh.
Yeah.
You're a Coast Guard.
No.
Okay.
Yeah.
No,
Yo,
hell
yeah,
no.
You got Coast Guard
No.
mentality right now.
No.
You're getting real Coast Guard
No.
mentality, buddy.
No, get the
Bro,
fuck out of here.
honestly, if you are following this channel and you do not like In-N-Out, I can't. Unfollow me.
Just come on over. Come on over.
Yeah, I put heavy to modified on his thing. His tag's heavy to modified.
They're so like
First of all, I haven't
fat-
eaten Burger King in
fat
like
and juicy.
3 years. I have not
So
eaten
you're
Burger King
about,
in 3 years.
you like it more just because of the volume?
No, like
Not the taste.
quality.
Is it quality?
Quality.
Quality? Whoa.
Out here with a bunch of West Coast people.
Oh my
And y'all-
god. The only thing you got going for right now for you is this accent. That's the only thing. That's the only reason I'm listening. Is I
Southern
like the
twang.
southern twang. Other than that, bro, you're just disrespecting culture right
Wait,
now.
but In-N-Out to cook your food until you order it though.
Burger King cooked your food this morning and gave it to you at
no,
night.
no. Burger King's all fresh.
Oh
You know why it's
my
fresh?
God.
You know why it's fresh? You wanna know why it's fresh?
Fresh out the microwave.
You wanna know why it's fresh? It's because nobody's eating there, so they have to cook the food.
Put your burger